Hello, everyone. So, before we start with anything, first of all, let's see that who are the people who should watch this series or who should watch this playlist or this course. So, first are those who wants to appear in an exam, who are preparing for an exam like GATE, so they can watch this series. Do check with the syllabus if the syllabus is similar to what I am teaching. I'm just going to show you the syllabus in just a minute. If you don't have the patience, skip to this timestamp. So yeah, first are those people who wants to prepare for an exam. They can watch this course. This is gonna be a 45 hours plus course, most probably. I'll just show you the syllabus in just a second. Second are those people who wants to learn coding, who wants to understand coding, so they can watch this series. Okay, one genuine advice: if you are like in the very initial part of uh, learning to code, like if you're in first year or second year or in like 11th or 12th, and they have a long roadmap, like they want job in like 3 to 4 years, my genuine advice is to start with C first. Now, why I say this? uh, because what C does is it really makes your fundamentals very strong. Okay, yes, Python can help you create some amazing projects. Like, we'll just discuss that what are the field of implementation of Python. But if you want to really rock strong your concepts, your fundamentals of loops or functions or oops or for this matter, so start with C first. I haven't created a course on C yet. If you want, you can comment down below. If enough people are interested, I'll create a C course also. But for now, I'll link some of the amazing creators from which I have learned. There are some amazing teachers who really teach C like it's some concept of physics. So I'll link some of them down, and you can just go ahead and watch them. Okay. So this was who should watch this course. Now let's see why me. Why you should consider watching this 45-hour course instead of buying like a paid course from someone who is more qualified, like studied in some elite institute or working in some elite corporation. So my aim here is to teach you like a friend teaching you type environment. Okay, so this is my main agenda of this channel. Also, if you are not familiar with this channel, go ahead and watch my channel. There are some tons of projects that I have created, and the environment that you'll see in my videos is just like a friend teaching you how to create those. So this is my theme here. You will not even feel like 45 hours have passed. So this is the environment I'm trying to create. I know I am not the best. Okay, I know I'm not the best, but I've learned my own way. Okay, and this way I'm trying to teach you. Also, just spend 30 minutes, just see the way I'm teaching. If you like it, if you're able to understand the concepts that I'm trying to teach, stay here, or else just skip away. You'll anyways be spending those 30 minutes scrolling reels. So why not watch this course? And if it gives you some values, go ahead and watch it completely. It's free. But I'll make sure this learning will be very fun for you. I've been working on Python for last 5 to 6 years, and if you look at my portfolio, it goes from game development to desktop development, IoT. I worked on multiple sensors on IoT, and not on the Arduino like native language, which is similar to C. I worked on the somewhat like a Jugaad method of how I can use Python with Arduino sensors. I worked on ultrasonic sensor, touch sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, and all with Python. I have also worked on Android apps, and I have finally settled for data science. So this was why you should consider me, and why you should consider this course. This is gonna be a very open conversation, open conversation to the extent that can happen on a YouTube video, the comment section are always open. We'll also have a Telegram page where we can have regular conversations. So this is also medium for open conversation. I'm open to criticism. If you feel like I have said something wrong, I have given some wrong information, do comment down below. I'm always open to learn. And okay, so this was that why you should consider me, what is this course. Now let's straight away go ahead and see what will be the syllabus of this course. Now if you notice me looking here and here, this is actually where my camera is. This is where the screen of the computer is, and this is where my secondary screen is, where I'm monitoring this stream. Okay, so yeah, okay, so let's see, this is the syllabus. Now I am aiming for 45 to 50 hours of content. uh, they can increase, but I am sure that it won't be less than 45 hours, because the content that I have planned, it's a very detailed. Okay, yes, there can be some new topics added, but nothing will be removed, because in the process of creating the content, there may be a chance where I encounter a topic which is very important and I haven't covered in the syllabus. So they will be added. So this is not the final syllabus, but there won't be anything removed from here. Okay. So yeah, this was the syllabus. And now let's start with our first topic, which is why Python.